Welcome learner in our science class for 4th standard. Learner, today we are going to learn about birds in this chapter. And birds are of various colors and sizes. Look at this picture of birds and name them. The name of the birds are parrot, crow, eagle and hen. And these birds can be seen easily in your surrounding. And you already have learned about lots of about the bird in class 3rd. So learner, like us, birds also have different body parts. They have 2 eyes, 2 legs, 2 wings, a beak and a tail. Now let us these body parts discuss one by one. The body of the birds covered with feathers, and birds have feathers of different colors and sizes. They have 3 types of feathers. Body feathers that covers the body of a bird, and down feathers. These are small, soft, fluffy feathers and that keep the bird's body warm. And last are the flight feathers. They are the long and help a bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on the wings and the tails of a bird. The wings help them to fly, but it is the tail which maintains the balance of the body of a bird during the flight. And next, the beak. The birds do not have teeth. They use their beak to catch and eat food. And different birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the food they eat. And birds also have the different types of feet and claws. And they use their feet to walk, hop, or swim and to hold the different things. And the different birds have different types of feet and claws that we discuss in next video. And can you tell me how do the birds hear and breathe? They hear with the 2 tiny spores present behind their eyes, and they can breathe with 2 tiny holes on their beaks. And do you know where do birds live? Of course, they live in their nest. But some birds like sparrow, crow, pigeon, owl and kingfisher make their nest on the trees, or we can say that they live on the trees. But the birds like ostrich and hen live on land, whereas the birds like duck and pelican prefer to live near water. And children, all the birds have wings to fly. And do you know how do birds can fly? Birds can fly with the help of their wings. And the wings of the birds have feathers and strong muscles attached to them. And with the help of these strong muscles, birds flap their wings and fly. The bodies of birds are very light, which help them to fly easily. This is because the bones of the birds are thin, light and hollow from inside. And the shape of the bird's body is like an aeroplane. This narrow shape in the front and broad in the middle help a bird to easily fly in the sky. And in order to turn while flying, these birds uses its tail. So although all the birds have wings to fly, but some birds like ostrich, kiwi, emu and penguin cannot fly due to their large size body. So learner, this is all about the today, and let's have a recap what we have learned in this video. We have learned about the features of the birds, like birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. They have feet and claws to make the nest, to fight with the enemy, or to hold the different things. They do not have teeth, but they have beak, which is used to tear, bite, chisel, and crush the food. They also have the boat-shaped streamlined body, which help them to fly. So, thank you. Have a nice day.